Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a mailbox widget to the home screen on your iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, I'm going to swipe to a blank home screen page. And next, touch and hold on the home screen. And then tap on the add button at the top. In the search widgets screen, go down and select mail. Next, in here you have two different widget size. You got the medium size and the larger size. So select one of the widgets and then touch and drag it to your home screen and let go. Next, tap on the done button to finish. And that's it. You now have successfully added a widget to the home screen. Now, if you touch and hold on the widget, there is a small pop-up. Tap on edit widget, and in here you can choose a mailbox for your widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.